Do you want to enjoy Bosnia and Herzegovina? Do you want to truly experience the beauty of Sarajevo? The most important thing is to choose the right accommodation for your vacation that will offer you everything you need. Enjoy your morning coffee and easily plan your day with the social networks of the River Walk aparthotel. In the River Walk apartments you will find everything you need for your ideal family vacation. Beautiful spacious apartments, a spacious balcony with a view of the river and the mountains are just some of the segments that will amaze you. Today we would like to introduce you to the vicinity of our hotel and the Sarajevo excursion site Vrela Bosna, which is a fairytale in itself and will certainly not leave anyone indifferent. What we would like to mention is that in the River Walk aparthotel you have a 24-hour reception, underground parking, very close you can find restaurants, shopping centers, children's playgrounds and many other facilities. You need about 30 minutes on foot to reach the source itself, or simply rent an electric scooter and you'll be at the source in about 10 minutes. Create your story and let the River Walk aparthotel be your inspiration to experience the most beautiful moments. Vrela Bosna is a spring in central Bosnia and Herzegovina, under the mountain Igman. It is the source of the Bosnia River, and one of the most famous features of Bosnia and Herzegovina. One of the most famous scenes of natural beauty in the region. Vrela Bosna is a well-known tourist attraction for all visitors who want to enjoy nature. Crossing the bridge under which the Iljesnica River flows, you will reach the first part of the walking area. As you can see, where there is a lot of greenery, trees. And for all those who like to enjoy a picnic on the grass, this is one of the ideal places for that. Enjoy the beautiful shade, incredible nature, smell and sound of nature. Here you will be greeted by a large fountain, but also some of restaurants, various activities for children, and this is truly one of the places where parents and children like to enjoy. And don't forget, River Walk aparthotel creates incredible adventures for you. follow us on all social networks and experience Bosnia and Herzegovina in its most beautiful form. Here you can find a lot of interesting things for children, so you can rent an electric scooter, an electric small car, a mini playroom for children, buy many sweets and everything that children like. This way we slowly reach Velika Alija, which leads us to Vrelo Bosna. Vrelo Bosna is a well-known tourist attraction for all visitors who want to enjoy nature. It consists of several small islands connected by bridges over numerous small streams. In the next video, view all the beauties of Vrelo Bosna that we described in this video. River walk. Your perfect walk through your family vacation.